Hi, my name is Lindy from Project Portfolio Office. So in PPO, projects can either be standalone or they can be linked to parent projects and or programs. So that's what I'll be covering in this video today. I'm going to start off with the parent project functionality. So the functionality supports scenarios where you have a project with related sub-projects to allow for consolidated reporting. For the parent project itself, as well as the underlying sub-projects or child projects, you have the ability to add things like your risks, issues, actions, costs, and schedule. So on the parent project level, you also have the ability to add those items. To make a project a parent, it must be linked to itself. So here I'm on a project view page. If I just have a look at the project name, it shows as Northern Frontier Marketing. And if I scroll down, there is a parent project field with the same name, making it a parent. So it's linked to itself. If I just go to my project list as an example, and I filter over here for the parent project, and I just want to see all of the projects that's linked to my Northern Frontier Marketing project. We have a list of 4, of which this one over here is the actual parent because it's linked to itself, and then it has these 3 sub-projects. But in terms of reporting, your parent project as well as the sub-projects will have the related entity items like your RAID decisions, actions, etc. We also have supporting output. So we've got a parent project dashboard. If I just run it for my parent project, it gives you a consolidated view of the parent as well as the sub-project. So we've got our high-level project information from the parent, and then we have our percent spent, progress, and it's split between all of the projects, including our parent. We've got basic project information, a section that talks to the health of these projects, and then all of our underlying data like our schedules, our risks, issues, actions, etc. When it comes to programs, if you are logged into PPO and you do not see the program tab there, it's either hidden behind user group access or the capability activation feature. So if I just go to the capability activator, with a click of a button, I can enable the program management functionality. So if I do that and I just hit refresh, I now have the program entity available over here. So if I just drill into programs, it takes me to the program list. So programs are used when all items like your risks, issues, tasks, actions, cost schedules are managed on project level, not on program level. So your program is basically a bucket that you use to link projects together. So if I just view this program as an example, you'll see the basic program information, high level, name, description, benefits, etc. And below that, you can see the projects that is linked to this program. When we look at our reporting outputs, when it comes to program functionality, under reporting, we just select dashboards and then select the program dashboard. And this then also gives you a consolidated view, your program information on the left-hand side, and then the projects that are linked to the program, we can see the percent spent, progress, project information, same with health, and all of the underlying entity items that's linked to the actual projects. I hope you found this valuable. Thanks for watching.